Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayu Endah Lestari, you can call me Ayu. I am a student of Mercubuana University majoring in accounting. In this video, I will explain about balance sheets. Okay, let's go straight to the video. Happy watching! Balance sheets. The balance sheets reports as of a given point in time the resource of a business or assets, its obligations or liabilities, and the residual ownership claims against its resource or owner's equity. By analyzing the relationships among these items, investors, creditors, and others can assess of a firm's liquidity, i.e., its ability to meet short-term obligations, and solvency, i.e., its ability to pay all current and long-term debts as they come due. The balance sheets also show the composition of assets and liabilities, the relative proportions of debts and equity financing, and how much of a firm's earnings have been returned in business. Balance sheets, especially when compared over time and with additional data, provide a great deal of useful information to those interested in analyzing the financial well-being of the company. Of special interest to both creditors and investors in analyzing the balance sheets is the company's financial flexibility. Balance sheets, in case of a non-trading concern, is prepared in the usual way and contains particulars of all assets and liabilities of the concern or institution on the date on which it is prepared. The excess of assets over liabilities is termed as capital fund or general fund. The capital fund is made up of excess of income over expenditure and other income or surpluses which might have been capitalized by the institution from time to time. Sometimes, two balance sheets may have to be prepared. First, balance sheets in the beginning of the accounting year to ascertain the amount of capital fund in the beginning of the accounting year, and second, balance sheet at the end of the accounting year to show the financial position of the institution as on the date. Next, elements of the balance sheets. The balance sheet is one of the main financial reports prepared by company accountants. It's offer one of the best overall views of your business financial situations. The three major elements of the balance sheets are assets, liabilities, and owner equity. The statement shows assets on the left and liability and equity on the right, and it follows the basic equations: assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Assets. Assets are the resources that a business uses to operate its business, such as cash, inventories, land and buildings, and equipment. Essentially, assets are any item of value owned or controlled by the business that contributes towards generate revenue. Assets are categorized as either current or non-current assets. Current assets are items of value that are expected to be consumed or converted into cash within the next 12 months. Examples include cash, inventory that is turning over regularly, and accounts receivable. Non-current assets are not expected to be consumed or converted into cash within the next 12 months. Examples include assets that the business would generally keep for more than 1 year, such as plant and equipment, cars, and buildings. Next, liabilities. Liabilities are the financial obligation or debt of the business and include claims the creditor have on the business resource, such as accounts payable, bank overdraft, provisions for employees' annual leave and long service leave, tax liabilities, and loans payable. Essentially, liabilities are amounts owed by the business to external parties. Liabilities are categorized as either current or non-current liabilities. Current liabilities are expected to be paid within the next 12 months and include creditors, accounts payable, inventory purchases, overdraft, short-term loans, and credit card debts. Non-current liabilities are not expected to be settled within the next 12 months and include mortgages on buildings and equipment and long-term loans. Next, owner's equity. Owner's equity is the residual interest in the assets of the business after liabilities are deducted. It is the net worth of a business and equals the difference between assets and liabilities. Equity represents the amount belonging to the owner once all financial obligations have been met. Equity includes the initial and ongoing capital investment made by the owners, retained earnings, or accumulated losses and reserves. Capital is any cash or assets the owner has contributed to the business. Retained earnings are any profits that are reinvested in the business. Reserves are profits set aside for particular purpose such as asset replacement or major building maintenance. Owner's equity is also referred to as proprietorship, members' funds, capital, and shareholders' equity. Of the balance sheets. The form of the balance sheets presentation varies in the practice. Each form may be influenced by the nature and size of the business, by the character of the business properties, by requirements set by the regulatory bodies, and by display preference in the presenting key relationships. The balance sheet is prepared in one of two basic forms. The first, the account form, with assets being reported on the left-hand side and liabilities and owner's equity on the right-hand side, or the report form, with assets, liabilities, and owner's equity sections appearing in vertical alignment. An entity begins, its financial status can be recorded on the balance sheets. From that time on, events occur that change the numbers on these first balance sheets, and the accountant records this transaction is accordance with the concept given earlier. Each balance sheet shows the financial condition of the entity as of the date it was prepared, after giving effect to all of these changes. Although in practice of a balance sheet is prepared only at prescribed intervals in learning the accounting process, it is useful to consider the changes one by one. This makes it possible to study the effect of individual events without getting entangled with the mechanism used to record these transactions. What are the ratios for analyzing a balance sheet? The ratios calculated from a company's balance sheets are used to determine its liquidity, solvency, and profitability. You can calculate three types of ratios from the balance sheets. Liquidity is turn assets into cash. Solvency, cash or equivalents to pay debts, and profitability. What are the balance sheet ratios? The balance sheet is divided into three segments. Assets are the value of what the company has, owns, or is owed. Liabilities or debts are what the business owes. Shareholders' equity is the value that is owned by the shareholders. Balance sheets can have many types of entries. This signify where the money came from, where it went, and who owes it to the business. As an investor, you are likely most concerned with profitability, how much money a company makes, liquidity, how fast a company can pay its debts, and solvency is how a company can pay its long-term debts.